This, what's this? Good morning, my loves. We are on my Canon PowerShot G7X Mark II. We're going to film my unboxing of some hair from a company I've worked with before, and I am so happy to work with them again. We are going from straight to curly. And the brand is MIDULLA. MIDULLA hair. Let's see how all of this, it focused on me and the product, I hope. So let's get to the point. You get a stocking cap, a wig cap. I normally don't use the wig cap. Let's put you here. And we are, oh, that's upside down. 26 inches. Let's open it up. And I will put the specs, all of the specs right here. So it comes with the net. It was sticking to my diamond. It comes with the net. Oops, stuck on a comb. Get off. Okay, this is the hair. We're going to get onto what it is. We have the 4x4 closure. This is the 4x4. You have the lace. As far as the baby hairs go, there's no real baby hairs. I'm glad. It matched the lace front. I'm still gonna put powder on it. It matches. Transparent. I can't say it's transparent, but I'm loving the hair. Now we're gonna go to. It has. Let's turn you inside out. We have a comb back here, a drawstring to tighten it up. I usually cut that out and the combs because I don't stick that in my hair. You have a comb on this side and you have a comb on this side. This is good for like summertime type wear. So far I'm liking it. I'm hoping it's my cap size and I don't have to adjust it. I don't think so. I think it's too big. I might have to adjust it. Yeah, we'll see. Now, let's get on to the length of the hair. 26 inches in the back. The front is it 26 inches? Okay, 26 inches in the front. Sometimes you get wigs that's 20 something and then it gets shorter and it's supposed to be a full 20 something. I'm so sick, like this wig here. It's a 22. This is not a 22. This is not 22. This is 22. If you're paying for something that's on the description and you want exactly what it is, some companies don't do that. It's make your own wigs. Let's give it the shedding test. I don't want to pull too much out, but so far no shedding. I don't want to comb all my curls out. Oh, I got a little tangle, but that's normal. Still no shedding. No shedding. So what we're going to do is put this on the mannequin and I'm going to pre-pluck the front. I do not install my wigs. Oops. Okay, I am back. I didn't do any baby hairs. I'm not doing baby hairs. Anyways, this is it so far. I'm loving the curls. I am definitely loving the curls. Yeah. I feel like Diana Ross. I'm coming out. So, with that being said, these are the curls. This is what the lace front. I use my LA Girl Pro face powder on the lace. So that's what I did, and then I cut it, and then I just swoop, boom, I put it on. But let's do. I'm not ready to get ready yet, so we're gonna do a get ready video coming up a little later. So with that being said, I'm loving this hair. I just don't want to comb out the curls too much. So, my pros and my cons. I have 0 cons. I'm being honest. If you watch any of my other videos, I am very honest when it comes to hair, whether it's given to me or I paid for it. So with that being said, I think it's pushed down too far. Well, I can't push it back now because it's all the way. I sprayed it. I lost my forehead. I lost my forehead. And I have a 3 head. Nope, we gotta fix that. I'll be. Okay, now we have it's still a 3 head, but I don't want to push it too far back because I already glued it. Now I'm gonna have to take some alcohol and get the glue off my forehead. But anywho, I will be back when I do a get ready with me. And my get ready with me is just filming today. I'm just filming. I'm making my sister an outfit, a dress, and I'm loving his hair. Hey, what's in it? Oh, the lace. But now this, like I was saying, I'm all over the place in this video, but that's okay. We're gonna get it together. This is the 4x4. So if you want a side part, this is my trick. The lace is right, it ends right here. So I go about a fingernail up. I have long nails. I go that much up and then I part it to do a side part. But right now it's stuck on the middle part. We're not going to do a side part. So with that being said, I'll be back to do a get ready with me video. And yes, all that great stuff. I'm moving around. I'm testing this camera out because I want to see if when you get close, how focused it is. We're going to do a whole separate video. Back of the hair.